everyone. Today you're going to do an activity called Wait for It. This is an activity that my MLM friends that I talk about all the time are working on as one of the activities that we might embed in our program that we're developing. And so I want you to do this with the thought that you're going to provide feedback to that team about some things that you really liked about the activity and some things that you might change. What did you find helpful? What do you think would make it better? And so each slide is going through and it's showing you a picture or an example, and you're going to use the sliders and discuss what you notice and wonder about those things. And I'm adding the text boxes there so that you can do that. The team showed me how to do that tonight in our meeting. Woohoo! And so when you get to these slides, you'll be able to add the text boxes. And there are questions on here, and you'll be asked to explain your thinking. And you can use the pictures, and you can always go back to the previous screen to help you understand or to show or to help you think about what you're doing. And as you go along, there will be different things that will be asked about. Talk about how Tariq's equation is like balancing the dog and the weights. So there'll be places for you to explain your thinking or talk about. And what I want you to keep in mind when you're doing this is that these are very much like our Tinker Tuesday balanced equations. But instead of using those balances, they're using a teeter totter. And you can see here that Richard has written the expression here that d plus 5 equals 17. And so if it's asking you about expressions and things like that, it's like what we do on Tinker Tuesday. So it's not something that we haven't done before. It's just a different kind of fun format to do that in. And so as you go through the slides, there'll be different questions. And so you'll pick an expression or an equation that represents, and then there'll be a slide to ask you why you did that or explain your thinking. And these are the tape diagram here, and talk about the tape diagram, how it's like the equation and how it helps you see it. And then you're going to use the tape diagram to solve. This one is called a card sort, and so you group cards together that go together. So if you're looking at this one, it's showing you that 4 plus x equals 12. So that would go with your card there, and as you put them together, they'll click together. And we've done these before, but it's been a while, so I wanted to show you that. So you're putting the cards that go together that show that situation together. And then here's another one. Draw a tape diagram. You can actually draw on the slide using these tools. And then how much does a squirrel weigh? And then how can you tell if the equation and the tape diagram match? You're going to be asked to give some feedback there. And then here's another card sort where you put the ones that go together that show that relationship. And then there'll be a page at the end about to share your feedback. So I'm super excited to let you guys do this and some of the work that we've been working on. And it's something that we've done in class, but it's just a different format. So I'm super excited to see what your feedback is and your suggestions are. Have fun.